All right, so we know by now that boring salads are a part of the past. Kemara Dunkley is putting spice to your everyday greens, and she'll tell us how she went from unemployed to being the founder of Salad Express. Wow.
Hi, thanks for having me.
It is our pleasure, and she has the most beautiful daughter named Sahana.
Thank you.
Sahana see me this morning and just say, this man must be my best friend in life. All right, so what now? Tell me the story. How did it start up?
All right, so I lost my job due to COVID in 2020, March, April there. So I was basically unemployed for quite some time. My mother has a seafood restaurant in Tollgate, that's Clarendon.
And that was before you lost it?
Yeah, man, that's before. That's supposed to be 15, 20 years ago.
Okay.
So I was there helping her on a day-to-day basis. And then I thought that I need to do something else. I just don't want to just be there helping her. So I decided I would do some salads.
So she didn't sell salads at the time?
No.
Okay.
So
where the idea come from?
So where the idea came from, we have a customer that we cook for every day, Monday to Saturdays. So one day he said, I don't want no fish, I don't want no more fish, I don't want lobster, I don't want shrimp, I want something different. So I said to him, I'm going to prepare a salad for you tomorrow. His name is Mr. Brown. Yeah. So he said, all right, no problem. So when I wake up the next morning, my mother said to me, so you're not going to get the stuff to prepare the salad. So I said, so you guys took me seriously? Because I was joking. So she said, you can't tell him man that you're cooking something for him and then you just drop out like that.
Had to do it.
Yeah, so I had to go to the market and the supermarket to get the stuff and I prepared it for him. He loved it. He called and said, boy, Jody, you can go on a road, Oh.
Question
so from there, yeah.
Because I'm looking at some that you've put together and it seems like you've deliberately put stuff as opposed to some people feel salad, you just throw everything, put up everything.
No, man, you have to be creative. I think it has to be aesthetically pleasing to the eye. So all if it not taste good, it must look good.
Yeah, because people eat with their eyes, don't they?
Yes, that's correct.
And that's beautiful. That we're
thank you. That's a sweet chili chicken salad.
Okay, so the salad has what? Only seafood? You don't
we do
meat?
Chicken.
Okay.
You can have tuna. We do salad. Anything you want. If you want a meatless salad, you can get it with boiled egg or sweet potato, whatever. We customize salads.
Okay.
So whatever you want, you can get.
Look at that one. Tell me what's in this one.
Okay, so that's a fish salad.
Yeah.
So we have lettuce, sweet corn, we have red cabbage, tomato, pineapple, we have the Thousand Island dressing, cucumber, and about 2 slices of apple in it. Because that's what the customer requested.
All of the salads have the same thing except the meat. When I say meat, like fish and stuff. So
yes, that's correct. So the base, lettuce, tomato,
the base
carrot.
Is always the same.
Yes.
And then you just put what you want.
Yes, so if they want sides with it, sides will include the sweet potato, the boiled egg, or the pasta, they can get that.
And I'm looking at one size. Is this the only size you sell?
Yes, so far, yes.
Okay, so what would this cost?
All right, so this one...
It depends on what kind of meat.
Yes, so the chicken is normally $1,300, fish is $1,500, salmon and shrimp, $2,000, lobster is $3,000.
So you take away my restaurant?
No.
That's a wicked woman, man. So you mother look after you for so long and you come take away everyone. What you making for us this morning?
No, you're going to make something this morning.
Me?
Yes.
Hold on, man.
Yes.
I'll come prepare.
You are going to make something
we have
this
2
morning.
minutes, so we have
all right, so let's hurry up and do this.
Push it and you tell me what to do now. All right.
So you have your base here.
What is my base?
Lettuce.
Well, the most difficult part of this so far is just to put on the glove.
You can do it, man.
I have one here. Okay, so the base has to be with lettuce?
Not necessarily. If you don't want any lettuce, if you just want cucumber, tomato.
So the whole of this we are making?
No, man, you are going to make your salad.
Oh, we're making it over here?
Yes. So see this here?
Yeah.
You're going to make your salad now. I'm going to watch you.
I can just use my hands?
You're free to do it.
And just put a little base here.
Yes, quickly.
Yes, man.
You don't want the shrimp. You're going to use the salmon?
Salmon I use.
All right.
No shrimp this morning.
You have some strawberries here. You have grape. Here's your salmon. All right.
Look like me know the thing.
All right, go on. Make sure it look nice enough so I can approve it. So if anything, add it to the menu.
Well, make I explain something to you. If you don't approve it.
So you love tomato?
I love tomato.
Okay,
but if you don't approve it, you're not coming back on any television station in life.
All right, I'll approve it then, because I guess that's a threat. So I'll approve.
It isn't.
We have red cabbage there if you want. We have almond.
You know my thing, you know?
Yes, all right. You love strawberry?
Yeah, I'm a fan of strawberry.
Okay.
Whoops. No, I went through a little bit of that on the top of it.
Okay, all right,
Can
go
I
ahead, go
got
ahead.
you down my knife?
Yeah, man, see the thing here.
Where?
This.
No, I didn't want to cut it up a little bit. I don't want to put the whole out. So.
The knife isn't here now.
You see, you fight out me little thing.
My bad.
Fight out me little.
That's cool, man.
How me looks of
Yeah, go on.
And then, hold on.
And we have dressings. Which one dressing you want?
We have to
Toast
make space
Island.
for the salmon, though, no?
Okay. Yes.
Right?
Yeah, man.
No my one?
Yes.
I'm going to put it right in the middle.
Yes.
Here.
Mm-hmm. So you have a pineapple if you want pineapple.
Want a piece of pineapple.
You don't want cranberry.
No, I'm good still now, you know.
Good with, so you're not going to put the purple cabbage over it? The red cabbage?
No, I'm good still.
You're good with that?
I'm good
You don't dressing? Nothing?
No, how it look?
You're good? All right, I'm going to give you an 8. So I'm going to add it to
8
the
out
menu.
of how much?
Out of 10. So I would add it to the menu and call it Neville's salmon salad. This is exactly how I'm going to prepare it.
Then you know, something we already. Okay, hold on, because I'm going to bring it to here so you can see me think. I don't want to think, say, I'm not the greatest cook now too. Right, Mr. Chef? Remember the chef? Yeah. All right here. And tell me, say, if this is not the wickedest teacher in life. I tell me, forget. You see the colors.
All right, I'll give you an 8.5.
You see the colors and the heights, gold and green, and right on top is my salmon. There you go. I like it. So you're going to make this now and tell people if
Neville's salmon salad.
so
Neville's special.
How much for that? With the
$2,000.
$2,000.
Yes.
And if you go today, you get it for $1 less.
$1,999.
Thank you. Just tell them you saw it on television this morning and you want the same.
Not a problem.
Where are you?
I am at Tollgate.
Where is Tollgate, please?
In Clarendon.
Yeah.
If I operate from home as well sometimes, it's in Mineral Heights because that's a more convenient
But
location.
you do have a physical.
Yes, that's in Tollgate.
And this is right there, Salad Express?
Yes.
Anywhere else we can find you?
At Mineral Heights, you can call me, pick up your order, or we will deliver it to you.
Yeah. Why? If we never out of time, I would send for Sahana. She's so beautiful.
Where is she?
She must be outside. But where is Sahana? See,
Call Sahana,
bring her.
please.
Ask
I
her
think
to-
she's in
to
the
come.
lobby right there.
She is so beautiful. And when she see me this smile, she just smiled. I was so happy.
She's so pleasant.
Yeah, but I know everybody look at me and smile. You know.
Yeah.
Bring
Bring her come.
Give her to mommy. Sahana, look how she starts smiling already as she see me. Look at Sahana.
Hi, Mama.
And that case, I try to run away. Very sorry. Sahana.
So Neville there. It's Uncle Neville
Look
there.
how she smiles. She is so beautiful. That is Sahana and that is mommy. And I'm Uncle Neville.
Uncle Neville.
Sahana, wave.
Say wave.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Sahana look like a food she had. She's the founder of Salad Express, not Sahana. Her mommy. Her mommy, Kemara Dunkley. All right, there you go. He said, she said, when we come back. Stay with us, please.